Within Brightspace, there are two different kinds of links that you can use in any text editor where you see this user interface. You can see here I have prepared 4 links. Each pair goes to the same location. In the first case, a piece of content built within the course. In the second case, it is a discussion I have within the course. You can see that they all lead to the same spot, respective to their pair. But if we copy the link address of this first one and copy the link address of the second one, we can see that the link is different. So this first one is created by getting this URL from your browser and pasting it in as you would a Word document. While this will work for this instance of the class, for any links that you want to save from course to course, from semester to semester, you will want a quick link. Notice how this one has view at the end, whereas this second link has quick link within it. So these are the links that will be able to preserve from semester to semester. To insert a quick link, what you want to do when you see this UI, you want to click this button, Insert Quick Link, which will take you to this menu. You might notice this is all the different things within a course. So if we want to replicate the one linking to content, we click on Content here. We find the respective week and the content. So this creates a link that will be able to be preserved from semester to semester. If we have a link that is not a quick link, but we want to change it to one, so this one, for instance, if we click on the link from the text editor and then click this pencil edit link button, we can see this is the one that ends in view, so this is the one that will not be preserved. It's the one from the link from the URL bar up here. But from this edit link screen, if we click Insert Quick Link and back twice, we notice that we are back here on this menu. So again, you can link to announcements, assignments, calendars, course files, etc. In this case, we want a discussion, and I only have one discussion here. And this now is a quick link that will be preserved from semester to semester.